It's Saturday, and you know what that means.
Corvettes, coffee, and demolition.
Oh, hell no.
Hey guys, welcome back to Front Seat Driver. My name's Jason. Today we are doing our Corvettes, coffee, and installs, but we're here at Coco's in Carrollton, Texas. And I don't know if you guys can see Steve back there. He's a little stressed out because today we are taking it up a notch. We're actually gonna cut into his Corvette. We're gonna cut into the body of his Corvette. It's gonna be something that I already know with his OCD, he's freaking out right now. But let's get inside. We'll show you what we're about to do. Oh, and by the way, what do you guys think of the new Front Seat Driver shirt? Let me know what you think in the comments. Have a great day.
This is my man Coco. If you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and you haven't heard of Coco and you know Corvette, then you don't know Corvettes.
Amen.
That's right.
This is an icon right here.
About to learn something whole brand new.
Whew.
That's why you come to a pro.
That's right.
Done right.
Come to Coco's, you don't need a jack puck.
Yes, indeed.
So we're up here at Coco's and we're about ready to cut a giant hole in the side of my car. And I gotta tell you, I'm nervous.
Don't worry, we got it. It'll be all right.
Get the hell. Oh my God.
What? Wide body, right?
My famous line is, oh hell no.
Hello. We're gonna go ahead and do a nice project this morning. Just wanna let everyone know is have fun and pay attention. Don't rush yourself, and it should be a breeze, at least to me.
Yeah.
So,
Experience.
come on in.
Experience.
That's right, a little bit.
Yeah.
Well, come on in. What we're gonna do first is we going to remove the wheel, obviously.
So I want to give you guys a quick look at what it looks like right now because this is a base Stingray. There's no brake vent on the car. So this is what it looks like beforehand. We're going to go ahead and get it all done. Of course, I will obviously show you guys what it looks like once the new brake vent is installed in it. Like I said before, this is a functional brake vent. This is not a brake vent for appearance sake. This is an actual working brake vent.
How about that?
There you go. They're gonna say, what'd you do today? I say, I held a hose.
So this is the proof that this is legit. This is actually the vent for the brake that's coming through here.
Air comes in, travels through, come up side, and cools the rotor. That's the whole point.
Cools the rotor.
And having the brake ducting system to be function, they have the cool air coming in and cooling the brakes.
So that's just proof that this is a legit brake duct.
Yeah.
So this is the final product here, out in the daylight. The new vents, again, functional, not just aesthetic. You can see inside there that goes in and ventilates the back of the rotors there. But to me, that makes a big difference. That's one of the things that they missed. You can see, like on mine, compared to Steve's. Anyway, I think it turned out great. Got my hands full, about to leave. About to clean, Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean. I can't believe Steve's actually cleaning his car. Yeah, that never happens.
Yeah, that never happens.
No. So since the whole virus thing is going on, Taco Bell is not letting us eat inside. So Steve and I will be having a picnic outside Taco Bell. You gotta do what you gotta do. So we are pulling in over here at Kody's shop. This is a new image of detail where I got the expel and ceramic coating done on my car. About to pull in there now, and Steve's gonna go ahead and get them to put expel on the new brake vents. So this is the final piece of the puzzle for today. Kody is installing expel on the brake vent. So that is going to protect it, and that's going to do it for today. So anyway, hope everybody enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. If you like Corvette content, definitely subscribe to our channel. We're gonna be doing a lot more stuff. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. So I'm here inside Coco's, and I want to show everybody a car that I love. Check out this 1986 Porsche with the big whale tail in the back. I love. Okay, so as a kid, this was one of my favorite cars growing up. You know, driving around, seeing one. Man, I always loved the big giant Porsche whale tail. And I haven't talked to Coco a lot about this car. I just know it's a 1986 Porsche Carrera. Other than that, it's all I know. But check out this thing. I don't know if it's open. No, it's not. But I don't know if you can see the inside of that or if you're just seeing the reflection. But man, this thing's pretty sweet. I love this. I'm not a huge fan of Porsche. It's not one of my favorite cars. But I do like this one a lot. It has the old frog eyes. Man. I don't know. What do you guys think? You guys like this car? It isn't for sale or anything like that. It's just one of his cars, but I like it. It's even got a sunroof. Check it out. Pretty sweet. I don't know. It's yellow. It's my color. It's not for sale. I'm not buying it, but what do you guys think? You like that car? I think it looks pretty sweet. All right, guys. Check out this awesome Corvette LT4 engine. You'll never guess what it's in. A 1992 Porsche 911 Carrera, which has a long way to go. So he's actually converting this two-wheel drive to an all-wheel drive Porsche. He's actually going to redo the body on here, so it's going to probably be like a wide body. But one thing is, he said nobody's ever been able to do this with a supercharged LT4 before. They've put Corvette engines in them, but with the Porsche 911, it's not, the engine's too long, and so it doesn't fit in the back of a Porsche 911 like this. However, he's actually going to rebuild the whole back end, and if I remember correctly, he said he's going to have this kind of look in the body style of a Porsche 918 when he's done to some extent. So it's going to be a while. As you can see, he still has a lot of work left. So I'm guessing at least a year, but he has a lot of ideas for this car. So what do you think, man?
This thing's gonna trump any vet this came out of.
Yeah.
All that weight, the engine power with the weight ratio.
Yeah.
Ooh.
And it's gonna be all-wheel drive.
Oh my gosh, this thing's gonna move.
Yeah. He said he had to do all-wheel drive because if not, you just burn up all your tires and just tear it up. So yeah, it's gonna be crazy. So we will check back down the road. We're gonna do some more stuff with him. I'm gonna get some more work done on my car as well as Steve. But anyway, stay tuned for that down the road.